Hey, do you want to learn to design and paint coffee menu boards that sells like hotcakes? Well, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled to announce my upcoming workshop where I will be sharing my tried and tested method for creating coffee menu boards that not only grab the attention, but also sells like crazy. This workshop is for artists, creative, graphic designers, new sign painters, and DIY enthusiasts. It's not only for coffee shop owners. This workshop is going to be packed with tips and techniques to take your skills to the next level. This is what you will learn: how to create eye-catching designs that customers can't resist, painting techniques that make your boards pop, layout tricks to ensure clarity and easy of reading, and of course, the secret to make your boards look polished and professional with minimum effort. If you have always wanted to add menu boards to your creative toolbox or boost your design portfolio, this is the perfect opportunity to dive in. This is what my students say about me. Now's your chance to learn a skill that you can start monetizing right away. Join my workshop that is going to be online and live this October 18th. But be quick, spaces are limited. Don't miss out this opportunity. Click the link in the description and sign up. I can't wait to see you there and guide you through creating your very first coffee menu board that will attract attention and boost sales. Join me.